Hi everyone, I'm Liz. I'm a sophomore PR major here at Hofstra, and I'm going to do a little room tour for you guys today and tell you a little bit about my building, my room, living on campus, and stuff like that. As you first walk in from the hallway, you see I have all my towels and hair towels and stuff, as well as my shower caddy right at the door so I could grab them on my way out. And then over here I have my weekly calendar, some snacks, some notebooks, stuff like that. On the back of my door, I have my keys, my purse, my coat, and my mask, so I never forget them. Over this way, we have my desk, and during the week, I like to keep this space open so I can write down any sticky notes I need. I have my laptop, my desk calendar, and then up here, I have my TV, a couple little fall decorations, my Echo Dot. Then you can see over here, we have the heating and air system, and then I have this little fan too, because when the heat goes on in the winter, sometimes I still want a little cold air. Then we have the big window. I love having a whole walls window. Not all the buildings have this, and not all rooms in the building have this, but I love it. And I also love keeping my bed right up next to the window because I like having the daylight come in, wake me up. And so yeah. So then over here I have a nice little poster, cork board, a couple little decor pieces, and then my grandpa actually made me this little table, and I love having it on my bedside so I can put my phone and stuff there at night. Over here we have all of my makeup stuff, skincare, stuff like that, and then I have that little box cube there that keeps all my miscellaneous stuff that I don't really want having out. In this corner we have my nice little chair, pillow, blanket, and then I can put all my recyclables in that little metal bin. And we turn to the side, we see my decor up there. Then I have my fridge, my Keurig, all of my coffee stuff right in there. And then over here I have a bunch more snacks. I have utensils, plates, stuff like that. Have some books up here when I like to read in my little corner. And yep, a bunch of stuff over here. Next I have my big wardrobe. I keep a couple pictures up there. Some more little decor pieces and my big full body mirror. So you can see me in there. But other than that, that's pretty much the whole room. It's pretty big, all laid out, looks like this. And I actually, a fun fact is like I like to keep this blanket here because under my bed I have a lot of storage, and this keeps it kind of out of sight, makes it look a lot cleaner. I also keep my little step stool here because I am 5'2", so it is a struggle sometimes to get on the bed. But as you can see over here, I could always use this thing. I just like having my step stool right over there because that's where I usually hop into bed. So I live in Vander Poel, which is the Honors College building. So it's all Honors College students. It's very similar to the other towers on campus. There's 6 towers on campus total. They're all around 12 to 14 floors. It's nice being in the Honors College building because they hold events usually on the 13th floor, which is the lounge and the kitchen. So typically, not during COVID, but typically they would hold events up there, and it's great to bond with people on your floor, in your building, and just in their honors program in general. So this building is co-ed floors, so then there's a women's bathroom and a men's bathroom on each floor. There's doubles and singles on each floor, so I'm in a single, but there are people in doubles on my same floor. And as I said, the lounge and common space is on the 13th floor, and as well as the kitchen, and then the laundry room is on the main floor where you swipe in. And there's the printer, and also my building and my floor has a floor lounge. Not every building has one like this, but there's just a little room where a TV, some chairs, a little table. So if you live in a double and you want some privacy or space to concentrate and do your work, you can always go to the floor lounge and get your work done there. Super convenient if you have another friend in the building and you're working on a group project or some of the similar homework and you want to study together. It's great that you have a little floor lounge, so you can always just bring all your stuff there and get it done there. Another thing I like about living on campus is that all the residence halls are on one side of campus and all the academic buildings are on another. So everyone who lives on campus lives on the same side of campus, so no one's ever too far away. So on this side of campus, we have a couple food places, the student center, the fitness center, and a bunch of fields, common areas, tables, places to sit outside. So it's really great to have all this stuff right within walking distance. So that's really all I have for you. I really love living on campus. I really love living in this building. I lived here my freshman year as well, and I lived in both a double last year and a single this year, but both experiences were great. I obviously came back to live in this building and just on campus in general, so I highly recommend it. And yeah, it's been great giving you guys a little tour.